Good morning. In 12th lecture on the chapter Wave Optics, we are going to study an article called fringe width or bandwidth. This term is represented by the symbol X, and note that this is a capital X. In our some previous lectures, we have used the symbol small x, but that small x means this xn, this x and this x is totally different. Here capital X means the fringe width or bandwidth. The definition of fringe width is the distance between the two successive bright or two successive dark bands is called as fringe width. Okay. In the definition, the successive, this word is very important. Here, this is the interference pattern in which at the center there is a central bright band, that is CBB, and alternate dark and bright bands are spaced about central bright band. So fringe width means the distance between the first bright band and the central bright band, or distance between second bright band and first bright band, or distance between third bright band and the second bright band. Okay, so the bands should be successive bright bands. Okay, so if we find the distance between third bright band and the second bright band, then this distance is called as fringe width. Okay, but we can't call the distance between third bright band and the first bright band as the fringe width. म्हणजे जर मी तिसऱ्या ब्राइट बँड आणि दुसऱ्या ब्राइट बँड मधलं डिस्टन्स फाइंड आउट केलं, दोन सक्सेसिव्ह ब्राइट बँड्स मधलं डिस्टन्स फाइंड आउट केलं, तर ते आहे फ्रिंज विड्थ. पण जर आपण थर्ड ब्राइट बँड आणि फर्स्ट ब्राइट बँड मधलं डिस्टन्स म्हणत असू तर त्याला आपण फ्रिंज विड्थ म्हणू शकणार नाही, कारण हे दोन जे ब्राइट बँड्स आहेत ते सक्सेसिव्ह नाहीत. सक्सेसिव्ह मीन्स एका मागून येणारे एक. ओके, सेम आपण डार्क बँड साठी सुद्धा सांगू शकतो. द डिस्टन्स बिटवीन द टू सक्सेसिव्ह डार्क बँड्स मीन्स द डिस्टन्स बिटवीन सेकंड डार्क बँड and the first dark band is the fringe width. Similarly, distance between third dark band and the second dark band is also the fringe width. Therefore, the definition of fringe width or band width is the distance between two successive bright bands or two successive dark bands. Okay. Now, the expression for the fringe width. Okay. So we know that for bright band, xn equals to n lambda d upon small d. We came across this equation in our previous lecture, where xn is the distance of any nth bright band from CBB. N is the fringe number, lambda wavelength of the light, capital D the distance between the two sources of light and the screen, and small d is nothing but the distance between the two sources of light. Okay, so for the first bright band means n equals to 1. So after substituting here n as 1, we'll get x1 equals to 1 lambda d upon d, means lambda d upon d. दुसऱ्या ब्राइट बँड साठी n ची व्हॅल्यू आपल्याला 2 सबस्टिट्यूट करावी लागेल. सो x2 इज इक्वल टू 2 times lambda d upon capital D. Similarly, we can find for the third bright band n equals to 3. So x3 is equal to 3 lambda d upon d. So according to the definition of fringe width, capital X, carefully see the symbol, capital X is equal to x3 minus x2, means here x3 minus x2, or we can write x2 minus x1. So x3 is 3 lambda d upon d, x2 is 2 lambda d upon d. After solving this, we'll get the equation for fringe width or band width as x equals to lambda capital D upon d. And note that this formula is very important from examination's point of view. Similarly, we can find the fringe width for the dark band because this formula we have derived for the bright band. Okay, so for the dark band, we know that xn equals to twice n minus 1 lambda capital D upon 2d. So for the first dark band, x1 is equal to, put here n as 1. So 2 ones are 2, minus 1 means 1 lambda d upon 2d. Here x1 equals to lambda capital D upon 2d. Similarly, find for second dark band n equals to 2. So x2 is equal to 2 2s are 4 minus 1 3. So 3 lambda d upon 2d. Similarly, find for the third dark band and we'll get x3 equals to 5 lambda d upon 2d. Then according to the definition of fringe width, again we can write capital X equals to x3 minus x2 or x2 minus x1. Therefore, x equals to 5 lambda d upon 2d minus 3 lambda d upon 2d. And finally, we'll get x equals to lambda d upon d. Now observe these two equations. This is the fringe width for the bright band and this formula represents the fringe width for the dark band. So obviously the fringe width for bright band and dark band is same. So we can say that the dark and bright fringes are equally spaced. It means that the distance between second bright band and the first bright band is exactly equal to the distance between third dark band and the second dark band. Because in interference pattern, the fringes are equally spaced. Or we can say that in interference pattern, the width of each fringe is same. हा खूप महत्वाचा पॉइंट आहे. इंटरफरन्स पॅटर्न मध्ये प्रत्येक बँड जी विड्थ असते ती सेम असते. तसेच जर मी ब्राईट बँड साठी फ्रिंज विड्थ काढली आणि मी जर डार्क बँड साठी फ्रिंज विड्थ काढली तर त्या दोनही फ्रिंज विड्थ कशा येतात, सेम येतात. सो एक्झाम मध्ये 3 मार्क साठीचा क्वेश्चन असू शकतो. Explain that dark and bright fringes are equally spaced by using the expression of fringe width. Okay, thank you.